My daughter's grandmother gave them two of her vintage Barbies from her childhood.
Both of my daughters absolutely love these Barbies, but because they are so old, parts of them are deteriorating. This Barbie in particular, the mechanism that keeps her head on the body just disintegrated. They've been asking me for months to please fix their Barbie doll. As you can see, I've already done so once, but the ball that was inside of her head, like I said, disintegrated. So I'm taking the repair that I did before with the screw, and I'm adding a ball that I'm making out of oak in order to repair the Barbie doll. After all of that work, I used the wrong bit and had to start all over again. I could have sworn that that would have fit that screw, but it didn't. So let's do this one more time, a little bit faster. It's a new year, and my goal this month is to get to 1,000 subscribers. I know most of you guys who've been watching my videos have not subscribed, over 80%, so please subscribe and help me get to that 1,000 mark. My daughter came in, "Is it done? Is it done?" And then I told her to go back in the house because she was barefoot. And there we go, she's all fixed. Her head turns just fine and isn't falling off.